How to enable end-to-end encryption on Discord. So if you want to turn on end-to-end encryption on your Discord account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to enable or turn on your Discord account end-to-end encryption is just go ahead and open the Discord app on your mobile. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Once open the Discord application, click on the U button at the bottom right. Now the next thing is go ahead and click on the settings gear icon at the top right. On the settings page, scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling until you see end-to-end encryption. Under encryption, click on that. Then here you see enable persistent verification code. Turn this on. And then end-to-end encryption, if your call on Discord is end-to-end encrypted, not even one person can listen in on your conversation. You can verify your privacy by verification code with whoever you are talking to. And then you're good to go. Once done on verification code, enable persistent verification code, and then that is all. This is going to turn on end-to-end encryption on your Discord and make your Discord communication more secure. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.